students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. In this video lecture, I am going to tell you the short questions based on the poem and the poet. The poem Is Poetry Always Worthy When It Is Old? Composed by Kalidas, famous Sanskrit poet. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd, English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. Students, in the previous video lecture, I have explained you the poem Is Poetry Always Worthy When It Is Old? And also I have given you the detailed introduction to the poet Kalidas. Now I tell you the questions which can be put up in the examination on the poet and the poem. So first question can come, what do you know about the life of Kalidas? And the answer is Kalidas, the greatest Sanskrit poet and the dramatist, and was probably born in Ujjain in Malwa in central India. The probable years of his birth and death are 388 AD. Nothing is known about for certain except that he was retained by the Gupta court. Based on tradition, it is represented with that he was an illiterate person till by the favor of the goddess Kali, he suddenly found himself endowed with poetic genius. Legend has it that he was the court poet of King Vikramaditya. Second question is, how do we know that Kalidas had travelled extensively? And the answer is Kalidas has given graphic description of Himalaya scenes. Hence we can conclude that he had travelled extensively throughout the country. Next question is, what is the main theme of Kalidas dramas? Kalidas dramas are based on a fanciful or mythological tales of lovers who are first separated by adversity and later on united by happy chance. Next question can come, name the dramas, Khand Kavyas and epics written by Kalidas. Answer is Kalidas' magnum opus is the play Abhigyan Shakuntalam. Her other surviving plays are Vikromarvarshi, Malvika Agnimitra. He wrote two epics, Raghuvansh Mahakavyam and Kumar Sambhavam. His Khand Kavyas are Meghduta, Cloud Messenger, and Ritu Samsar. Next question can be asked, name the translator who translated the poem Is Poetry Always Worthy When It Is Old from Sanskrit into English. It is very important question, and the answer is this poem of 4 lines has been translated by the John Brough from Sanskrit into English. These are the questions based on the poem. The question is, what is the first question posed by Kalidas in the first line of the poem? Is poetry always worthy when it is old? And answer is Kalidas has put a very pertinent question in the poem, whether poetry is always worthy when it is old. Actually, time is the greatest critic and when a work stands the test of time, it becomes immortal. Thus, poetry becomes worthy when it is old. Kalidas' poems are read and appreciated even today, hundreds of years later. What is the second question posed by Kalidas in this poem? And the answer is Kalidas has posed a second question, whether poetry is worthless because it is new. Again, this is a very pertinent question. Real worth of poetry is found not because it has been written in modern times or it was written many years ago. Time factor is important, but even if poetry written in modern times cannot be called worthless, if it has real and instinctive worth. And the last question comes, what is the advice given by Kalidas to the reader? And the answer is Kalidas leaves it to the reader to decide whether poetry is worthy or worthless. He says that foolish or dull readers do not decide for themselves but depend upon others to tell them. Such readers depend upon critics to guide them about the worth of poetry. They do not use their own judgment. So these are the very important questions, students, which can be asked in the examination. That's all for the day. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.